Hey guys, hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to tell you 6 best work from home jobs that pay you well in 2020. Alright, my name is Andy. I'm in internet marketing since the last 2 years, and on my YouTube channel, I share some tips and tricks related to internet marketing. So if you want to keep learning from me, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Number 1, as a content writer. Content creation or writing has the rightfully made its place among the best work from home jobs. And the straightforward reason for this is the demand of the work. Businesses necessarily need to educate, inform, or entertain people through content, and that is what will make people choose the brand. You can be sure that this industry will not have a depth of work from home job option. A beginner can expect something between 30K to 40K a year, and it could be more than that amount if you are really good at it. And number 2, as a digital marketer or social media manager. This is one of the most obvious that when it comes best work from home jobs. Digital marketers deal in building and expanding a brand presence online, doing jobs ranging from SEO, email marketing, mobile marketing, to social media marketing. A social media manager is expected to run campaigns on the platform, promote the content, control the posted content in any format, study analytics, and aim to expand the brand reach. A beginner for this job can expect around 50K to 60K a year, and the tips for this job is the experience in the industry, a strong portfolio with evident results, and working with brands you connect with can skyrocket your career. Number 3, as a website developer. Okay, in 2020, you cannot afford to miss out on this when looking for the best work from home jobs. Brands need the website developers to build the website that attract, inform, and entertain. Understanding of CSS or HTML, basic of coding, and markup language like JavaScript, SEO, and Photoshop is required. This job is earning range from 40K to 50K a year. It depends entirely on your skills and how big a project you are able to work. Make your project stand out because every project is a sample of your potential lead. Specialization and establishing yourself as an expert help you to charge more. Okay. Number 4, as a graphic designer. Here is the reason why graphic designer fits the list of best work from home jobs. In 2020 is an age of marketing through visuals. With powerful content, a brand needs appealing visuals, whether as part of their website, logos, pictures, or design. And graphic designers are expert in that. The scope of earning in this field is vast, and at intermediate level, you can easily make 50K per year with no upper limit. You can even take smaller projects on a freelance basis too. And the tips for this job is to leverage social media to showcase your skill to the world and establish yourself as an authority in the field. Okay, bank on the platforms such as Behance, LinkedIn, Dribbble, and Instagram too. Number 5 is as a blogger. I cannot name a better source of passive income. If you're really passionate about a particular subject ranging from food, travel, fitness, fashion, gardening, or even philosophy, you must start a blog of your own. Now is the time where you can even start microblogging through Instagram. The amount that you get is really awesome. And the elements that add to your income are Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, and influencer marketing. To maximize your earning, you should know your short-term and long-term blogging goal. For example, decide whether you want to drive sales or increase traffic on your blog. Number 6, data entry. Often mistaken as too easy, the job demands smooth and efficient processing of a large amount of information. The work in brief is enter data into your computer system or into a type of secure file system. Okay, you can charge per project or per hour in this kind of jobs and earn a decent amount. There's no dearth of work in the market, and that's the reason you can earn well in this particular job. Okay friends, so in this video I have explained 6 best work from home jobs that pay you well in 2020. And if you want to build a successful affiliate marketing business in a professional way, you can find also the link in this description below. So if the information in this video is helpful, please like this video, and if you have any question you can also comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and have a lovely day, and I'll see you in the next video.